exotic animals that eat surprising foods. The barn owl is a nighttime hunter of small animals like mice, which they usually swallow whole. Later, they regurgitate the parts they can't digest. That wouldn't be popular at parties. Kangaroos, the iconic symbol of Australia, are powerful herbivores that graze on grasses like cows do. Grass again for dinner, Mom? Flamingos feed on algae and tiny crustaceans, which give them their elegant pink color. I would eat more shrimp if it would turn my hair pink. Would you? Did you know any of these interesting facts?